My friend, I want you to know that the unmeasurable love God has for us is seen in the sacrifice of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is that gift that carries all the solutions to life's challenges. In times of struggle, when darkness seems to envelop us, we can find strength in knowing that this love is unwavering and ever-present. The grace and compassion of Jesus Christ provide comfort and guidance through our most difficult moments. Every question we have and every burden we carry can be laid down at His feet. Trusting in Him allows us to navigate the complexities of life with confidence and hope.